Hello, little scientists! Today, we're going to find out, why can dogs smell so well? Super nose structure. Zoom in on the dog's nose. Inside view shows a maze of smell pathways with colorful lines and smell detectors. A dog's nose is super special. Inside, it has millions of smell cells, about 40 times more than humans. Comparing dog nose and human nose. While we just smell a cookie, dogs can sniff out each tiny smell like butter, sugar, flour, and more. Dog brain helps too. Their brain has a huge smell center that helps them remember and recognize thousands of different smells. Dogs helping humans. A police dog sniffing a suitcase at an airport. Another dog finds a lost person in the forest. That's why dogs can help people find missing things, rescue others, and even detect danger. Recap. Super nose. Lots of smell cells. Powerful brain. Gives amazing sniffing.
Yay!
So remember, with their amazing noses and smart brains, dogs are sniffing superheroes. Question for you. Which animal can smell well too? A elephant. B. Mole. What do you think? Which other animal has a super sniffer? Tap to choose and find out more. See you next time for more fun and amazing science with Dr. Meow Meow. Science is amazing.